Real women murders, not fiction. Love women, don't kill them. Giving real women, unknown women, recognition to the world. Please support our channel and please subscribe.
Sonic in Belen. Donald Lewis is accused of shooting and killing Lisa Swiftbird. Swiftbird was the fiance of Lewis's brother, who identified Lewis as the shooter. He told police that all three used to live in the same home, but he and Swiftbird had moved out. Well, the brothers had reportedly exchanged threats after the move. The argument at the Sonic then reportedly started as Swiftbird was trying to find out if any of her mail had arrived at the old house. Lewis claimed that she had a knife, but other witnesses say they did not see one. There's no word on when Lewis will be arraigned.
Thanks for watching. We appreciate you. Please subscribe.